Got my motor blower and resistors in. This is for the Yukon. They sent me the wrong one, but this is the right one. Yeah, this one right here. Throw that one in there. This is the wrong resistor, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. Somebody else might can use it, but this is the right one for the Suburban.
I'm sure you'll tell me there's many cases, whether they're here.
Oh, I gotta open it all right here.
So let's talk about Sebastian Khalil.
And this is the one for the
I don't have the specific details at my
Suburban.
Well, this is an illegal migrant in New York because of your Do you know what crime he committed?
I'm gonna go put these in
I'm not familiar at this moment.
tomorrow.
I bet you're gonna be familiar when I
Fix it right fast.
found a sleeping woman on the subway.
See, this one
lit her on fire and
got
burned
two
her
holes
This is in
on each
Castleton,
side,
New York. And as I'm sure
and
you are
this
aware,
one
and I'll remind you, that ICE issued an order
only
to
has,
detained
see that?
child criminal, but that was
That's
rejected
only
by
one
U.S.
hole.
officials due to
So this is
safer
wrong. I got another one like they sent with the other box. I got two boxes. This is the motor blower right here. That's the motor blower. Yeah, I'm gonna have both of these motherfuckers running tomorrow. I have some fresh ass motherfucking ice cold air. You know? Hell yeah. These motherfuckers is constantly tripping on this on that the illegal shit. Hell, anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna get both of these motherfuckers up and going in the morning. Trying to tell you.
I'm going to tell you our overall policy, which will address
I'm
all
good
this.
to go. Shit. Yeah. Anyway. I bag that shit up. I'm good, shit. Hell yeah. Let me put this motherfucker in it. Yeah. I'm trying to tell you.
In Nassau County. You are not advocating on behalf of these victims. You are
First thing in the morning.
Even in your opening statement,
I'm good.
you prioritize putting
Anyway.
rapes of young girls, beatings of NYPD cops by illegals who are here.
I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna let y'all see it running. Hi.